Good day, friends. Today we want to solve and continue a question on Polygon by attempting the past question on the board. We have the problem on the board. ABCD is a regular pentagon and a rectangle ASY is drawn on the side AE such that the vertex S and Y lie on the side BC and CD respectively. Calculate the size of an interior angle of the polygon. So this is very easy to evaluate. What we do first is to write the solution, to first draw the shape. So how do we draw this shape? We are told that we have a pentagon having 5 sides. The pentagon has 5 sides. This is pentagon. It has 5 sides. So we draw it. Has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because it's having 5 sides, we are told that ASY is drawn on the side AE. So let's label it A, B, C, D, and E. So we are told that ASY is drawn on the side AE. So let's draw it. We have a triangle. We have this triangle. And we have this triangle. We are told that it's drawn. The triangle is drawn. And we know that the triangle we have angle 90 degrees. Each of this angle. We have angle 90. So we have AE. Since it's a triangle, and we're told that lies on the side BC and CD respectively. So we're told that S and Y lie on the side BC and CD. So this place is X, this place is Y. So we're asked to calculate an interior angle of the polygon. Each of these angles here. So each of the interior angle here. Before we can calculate each of the interior angle, we have to know the sum of all the interior angle of the polygon. The sum of this, and this. So it's calculated by the formula sum of interior angle is equals to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And since it's a pentagon has 5 sides. We have 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. And that's 3 times 180 degrees. If we do it very well, we have 540 degrees. So sum of the interior angle of all this polygon is 540 degrees. But the question is telling us that the size of an interior angle of the polygon. So size of an interior angle will be 540 degrees over 5. Since the angle are 5 in number and the sum is 540, one of them will be divided by 5 and we have 5 in 5, 1. 5 in 4 is impossible, right? 8. 5 in 40, 108 degrees. This means this is 108 degrees, this is 108 degrees, this is 108 degrees, this is 108 degrees, this is 108 degrees. So that is for A. For B, we are told to calculate the size of angle BSA. BSA, this angle here. So if we draw it very well, let's draw BSA very well. So this is what they are telling us. This is X, this is already B, and this is A. The whole of angle A is made up of 90 degrees and small letter a. But the whole of a is 108. So when we say 108 minus 90, we will get this small letter a. So when we say 180, and when we say 108, which is the whole of a, 108 minus 90, we will get 8 at 18 degrees. That means a small letter a here is 18 degrees. And our b is 108. So we can calculate angle x. To calculate angle x, which the question is asking us to do, angle BSA, we have 108 plus x plus 18 degrees equals to 180 degrees. The reason is sum of angle in a triangle. We write sum of angle in a triangle. So when we add up very well, when we add 108 plus 18, we get 126 degrees plus x equals to 180 degrees. So to calculate x, we say x is equals to, when we take 126 to the other side, there is plus in physical plus here, it becomes minus. So 180 minus 126. So x will give you 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 2, that's 54 degrees. So angle BXA, which they ask us to calculate, is equals to 54 degrees. I think you have gained something in my video. See you for more problems on this type of question, and now we solve it together. Bye.